Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Please just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. Let's wait for the students to join, then we'll begin the class. Yeah. So today is the third class in our marathon series, right? Today we'll be discussing few more questions related to the same concept that we were discussing since last 2 to 3 marathons, right? Just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear or not. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so let's begin. Other students would join in the time being. So today is the third class. Before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Good evening, Hina. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, make sure that you download the application from the Android as well as from the iOS. Okay, in addition, if you're targeting the June examination and you're struggling with structured revision, this particular course is for you. You can download the app and get yourself enrolled in the crash course 2.0, in which you will be getting PYQ hard copy along with the same. Okay, so make sure that you are enrolling, make sure that you are structurally revising. Good evening, Selva. In addition, for the full course as well, we have a different course running. We have two courses, live courses running for the time being, right? So depending on your exam schedule, depending upon whatever is your state of preparation, you can enroll in whichever course you wish to. Okay, now this is the very first question for you all. Match the following type of question, and this question is regarding that you are given some of the names of respected scientists and their areas of contribution. So it is a factual kind of question, and it is the latest year question, that is June 2022. Okay, so try to get the answer for this, give it a try, then we'll solve it out together. First, second, third, fourth, try to use elimination, try to get the answer, and then we'll solve it out together. Okay. 4. Okay, very good, very good. Everyone quickly mark the answers. Try to use elimination method, try to like recall what facts you have remembered, and then try to mark the answers. Match the following are the simplest, and in addition they are the most scoring questions. Okay, so never ever skip. Match the following questions, especially in the main exam. Okay, mark the answers. Okay, most of you are marking the answer 4. Komal is marking 1. Hina 4. Very good. Let's see. The answer for this particular question is option number 4. Excellent. 4 of you got the answer correct. Very, very good. Okay. So, answer is option number 4. So, first matches with the theory of evolution. Then we have B matching with third. So, second matches with ethnology. Everyone just try to write down what do you mean by ethnology. Yes, try to mark down what do you mean by ethnology, everyone. Then C, Joseph Banks via botany. Then we have E.O. Wilson. E.O. Wilson is sociobiology, and the last one is theory island biogeography. Very good. So Those of you who marked the answer just with E, excellent, very very good. See, this is the beauty of these match the following type of questions. इनके अंदर अगर हमें एक ऑप्शन भी आता होगा, हम इजीली लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम एक या दो ऑप्शन से आंसर मार्क डाउन हो जाता है. अगर आपको बाकी कोई नहीं आता, कोई सा और ऑप्शन के बारे में नहीं पता, बट this Mark Arthur and Wilson theory, this theory is very very common, very very important in unit number 10, that is evolution, right? In that we study about the island biogeography theory. So अगर हम E को 4 से mark करेंगे, you can easily reach to the answer very nicely. Okay, answer for this question, like अगर हम E को 4 से mark करेंगे, आप बाकी तीनों को बहुत आराम से eliminate करके you can easily get 4 marks without any prior information. So very very good. So what is ethology? Study of animal behavior. Others, what is it all about? Try to mark the answers, everyone, because cross questioning helps you to revise things better, right? So try to mark it. Yes, it is the study of the animal behavior. CSR, what does this mean? Like, I don't know what is the mnemonics full form of this. Please mark down the full form of CSR method. Second question, consider the following statements about thermoregulation in the animals, and you have to find out which of the option correctly describes a poikilothermic ectotherm. 4 options in front of you. Mark the answer for this particular question. Okay, first option is it uses external environment to regulate the internal body temperature. Second option is it does not uses external environment to regulate internal body temperature. Third, it can vary internal temperature, body temperature considerably. Fourth is it can maintain the thermal homeostasis in a narrow range of temperatures. Get the answer for this question. Get the answer for this question, everyone. Read it properly, very easy, you will be able to get it. Three, 3, 2, 3. Okay, others also mark the answer. Grimm's triangle is also called CSR method, and then the other person is saying Sakti will that CSR methods are more acceptable. There is no context of this. Please clarify this confusion. What is this CSR methods? Okay, so let's see. Most of you have marked the answer. Some of you have marked the answer A, some as B, C. Okay, so before getting into the answer, what do you mean by poikilothermic ectotherms? Everyone, just mark down this thing. What do you mean by this particular term? Poikilothermic ectotherms. Everyone, quickly mark down this thing. Yes, quickly. So let's check the answer. Answer is option number C, that is A and C statements are correct. So poikilothermic organisms are those that change their body temperature, like the body temperature of these organisms keeps on changing and they adapt according to the external environment. So they use the external environment to regulate their body temperatures, right? So first is A. A is correct, as in when you get A correct, B and D get incorrect. Now the answer is either A and C or A or D. Let's see. It can vary the internal temperature considerably. Okay, they maintain the thermal homeostasis in narrow range of temperatures. No, they won't be maintaining their uh, normal, like they won't be maintaining a homeostatic thermal temperature. Okay, so D is incorrect. Answer is option number C. So those of you who gave the answer as C, I hope this question is now clear, and those of you got the answer incorrect, I guess your doubt is clear now. Next question. Yeah. Next question in front of you. Catabolic end products of purines is, get the answer for this. What is the catabolic end product of purine known as? Get the answer for this, everyone. Competitive species. We have not talked about anything like this. Like this question, how is this particular question related to that? Like, I was talking about more acceptable means the elimination method being more acceptable, and not this particular type of, like, I don't know, I guess there is some kind of confusion with two students. CSR method, I thought you were talking about some kind of question solving technique. I was just talking about that elimination method is more preferable in terms of the match the following type. Okay, CSR is something different to, like, Grimm's model, that is very different concept. We're not talking about CSR model or something. Get the answer for this question. Which of the following is not related to the, sorry, this was the question. Catabolic products of purine. Get the answer for this, then we'll do the previous question. K, C, B, D. Others, get the answer. Done, everyone? Okay, very good, very good. Let's check the answer. Answer is option number D, that is uric acid. Okay, catabolic end product of purine is uric acid and not urea. Remember about this factual thing. Okay, everyone. Niharika, very good, you got the answer correct. Others who got the answer incorrect, make sure that you're remembering this concept. Okay, one more question, factual question itself. Which of the following protein is not related to the extracellular matrix? Four options in front of you. Get the answer for this particular question now. Get the answer for this. Which of the following is not related to the extracellular matrix? B. Okay. C. Everyone, mark the answers. Done, everyone? Others also try out the question. Selva, Niharika, Komal. Acha, they have marked it. Okay. So let's see what is the answer for this question. Then we'll do some general aptitude questions as well. Answer is option number C. So, which of the following is not related to the extracellular matrix, answer is lamins. Okay, remember about this factual question. Now this is the general aptitude question. Get the answer for this. Question is, which of the following is the largest? There are 4 options in front of you: 2 to the power 50, 3 to the power 40, 4 to the power 30, 5 to the power 20. Get the answer. Out of these 4, which of the following would be the largest when we solve out the numbers given in front of you? Get the answer. Get the answer. Try to solve it out. You will get it. It's a simple question. Try to solve it out properly, then only mark it. Okay, take your time, get the answer for this, but get the correct answer. That's important. Okay, Govind Patel is marking B, Selva B, Komal D. Other students also, please mark the answers, then we'll solve it out together. Okay, Hina, mark the answer. Niharika is marked. Others who are there in the class, mark the answers quickly. Mayank, mark the answers. You are not marking answers. Okay, let's check. Let's try to solve it first, then we'll get it. So what are the options? You have 2 to the power 50, then you have 3 to the power 40, 4 to the power 30, 5 to the power 20. So now if you observe carefully, you can take out 10 common from all the powers, right? All of them have a factor 10 in them. So if you take out 10 common, what will be left? 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 4, 4 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2, right? Now just try to solve it and you'll easily get the answer. What is 2 to the power 5? Write down everyone. What do you mean by 2 to the power 5? It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, right? Then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, what it would be? 9 into 9, 81. Then you have 4 into 4 into 4, 16, 4, 64, and this is 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Now just observe, you have option number B, that is 3 to the power 4 as the final answer, as the highest value possible out of the 4 given to us, right? So taking out 10 would ease our solution. It would ease our complete calculation, and as a result you can easily mark the answers for all of them, right? Answer is option number B. So those of you who got the answer incorrect, is it clear to everyone? Niharika, is it clear to you? Your answer is wrong. And Saktvil, is your answer, like, is it clear to you now? And Govind and Selva, very good. Hina, very good, you got the answer correct. Clear now? Is this concept clear to you? It's very, very important. Like, these type of questions do get repeated in the examination. Very good, excellent. Let's do one more question. Okay, to this question. You have used my step only. Very good. Okay, now get the answer for this question. The previous one is analytical, but try to get the answer for this. It is somewhere related to the circle concept. Okay, get the answer. You have a question given in front of, like a circle given in front of you. It is saying that O is the center. This is the center of the circle. PAO, that is this angle is given to you as 40. Then you have PBQ given to you as 30. AOB, this angle is given to you as 220. It is asking AQB. You are asked about this angle. You need to find out what is the value of this particular angle. Everyone, give it a try to this question now. Then we'll understand the complete properties and other things of this question. Get the answer for this. Give it a try, everyone. There's just one small property that need to be applied over here, and you can easily mark the answer. See, okay. Everyone else, quickly mark the answers, then we'll solve out together. Okay, so let's give it a try to this particular question. So see, in this question there is like the examiner has tricked us with a lot of information. Okay, the examiner has given you a lot of angles value, which is not at all required. Only one angle is required. Only this particular angle value was required for us to solve this complete question. Okay, so the question is that you need to find out this angle. AQB need to be found out. Okay, so this is one property, that the angle subtended at the center by the arc is double the angle subtended by the arc on the circumference. Okay, so when you look into this particular angle AOB, so the x, like on a complete circle, what is the angle? 360, right? You are given the internal angles as 220. You can easily get that this angle is 360 minus 220, which is equal to 110. So you have this angle as 110, and now you need to just mark down the property. Now you just need to remember this property, that the angle subtended by the arc on the center is double this one. Okay, just a second. It is 140. Sorry, it is 140, not 110. It is 140, right? So the angle subtended over here is 140. So this angle would be exactly half of it. This is one of the property that we need to remember. Okay, answer would be 70 degrees. It's a very simple question. You just need to remember this property, that the angle subtended on the center is double the angle subtended on the arc onto the circumference. So if you remember this fact, you can easily mark the answer. Okay, just understand this again. If you have any problem, you can ask. Clear, everyone? Just check if there's any doubt, any problem. Clear? Yes, remember this property, very very important and very easy property as well. And this was I guess December 2019 question. In the same manner, there are a lot of other questions which gets repeated in the exam. Okay, so make sure that you are remember this. Yes, you need to remember the property, very very important. This property need to be remembered, but as and when you proceed in the practicing and everything, you'll remember it. Do not worry about that. एक बार फिर से बता दो. Okay, see, let me erase everything. देखो बच्चे, कोमल जस्ट लुक इनटू इट अगेन. क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि आपको 220 डिग्रीज का एक्सटर्नल एंगल दिया है, ठीक है. एक कंप्लीट सर्कल के अंदर 360 डिग्रीज का एंगल होता है, राइट. सो इस जगह पर एंगल क्या होगा? 220 गिवन है, टोटल 360 होता है. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट 360 and 220, so you will be getting 140. okay, so हमारा जो ये एंगल है AOB इंटरनली, उसका एंगल 140 होगा, ठीक है. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग AQB एंगल का साइज क्या है. सो उसके लिए यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वन प्रॉपर्टी, दैट द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय द आर्क्स ऑन द सेंटर, जो सेंटर पर एक आर्क जो एंगल बनाएगी वो डबल होगा जो सर्कमफ्रेंस के ऊपर बनेगा, ठीक है. सो अगर ये 140 है और ये डबल है हमारे इस वाले एंगल का, सो दैट मीन्स व्हाट, अगर हम इस एंगल को x माने, सो 2x डबल ऑफ x इज 140, राइट. ये एक प्रॉपर्टी है सर्कल की. सो x क्या होगा? 140 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 70. इसीलिए हमारा आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज 70 है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? येस और नो? कोमल, इज इट क्लियर टू यू नाउ? एक बार दोबारा चेक करो बच्चे. कोई प्रॉब्लम है आप मुझसे दोबारा पूछो, अदरवाइज वी आर डन विद दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. आप कोई डाउट हो तो आप दोबारा पूछ सकते हो. क्लियर? Okay, so this was about for today's class. If any of you wish to join the crash course which is running on the channel, you can join it. You can use marathon 10 as a code if you wish to join the crash course, ठीक है. आपको extra 10% off मिलेगा अगर आप marathon के through join करते हो हमारा crash course. In addition, PYQ pointers hard copy would be delivered to you at your doorstep in the same price. Okay, so if you wish, you can download the app and you can enroll in the course. In addition, make sure that you're downloading the application, and let's meet tomorrow, same timing, 8 o'clock. We'll be doing few more questions and then I'll be bringing more marathons next week. Now this marathon, next marathon would be completely dedicated to unit number 13 most probably. I'll just see my schedule because there are a lot of things going on, so I'll just check if it's possible for me to get the presentations prepared. So we'll have the next marathon based upon unit number 13. Okay, till then, bye everyone, take care, and thank you for joining in. Good luck.